Here we go, guys. We're live at 6:42. I'm going to copy our 75 spot list on the way up. We're running the next mini for the UKG DT Obi-Wan. I got 75 spots here. Top 6. There he is. He's a beast. Top 6 win spots in the main on this one. We got 75 spots that I'm going to paste over here. We got them all, 75. That I am going to bring over here to random. There everybody is. To find our winners, going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got an 8, so we're rolling. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. As we begin, Mr. Counter takes round 1 with number 33. As we see all of our competitors. Matt takes round 2 and round 3. Eric takes round 4. Spencer Myers takes round 5 and number 8. Chris takes round 6. Steve in the top spot for our next to last round. Round 7 with number 54. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Bunch of spots up for grabs here on a very sweet item. Here we go. Our winners are Matt Chapera and Chris McAvoy. Heavens. All right. Congratulations. Pretty lopsided. Let's make it official. NRIDJQ. There's Matt. As we can see, there's the rest of the list. I am done at 6:44. There it is. One more time. Here's the verification. Congrats to the winner. Get the clip out there. There it is. Congrats to our winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks a bunch.